everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to do a glam Sally look. This look is honestly a lot easier than it looks to be, so let's just get into this video, shall we? Starting with the clean bare face, I am going to be applying my favorite primer. This is from e.l.f. It's the Poreless Putty Primer, and doing this when you're painting your face is a must. Next, using the Morphe Brow Pomade in Java, I'm just going to do my eyebrows like normal. Next, I'm getting attacked by Rini because she just wants the hair tie that's in my hair. Now to the main part, the face. I'm using CC Beauty face paints, and I got this from Amazon. I'm going to go in with the white and just that blue shade. And I'm using a popsicle stick to kind of scoop it out and just applying this on my face. I was concerned that I applied too much white, and then I was concerned I applied too much blue. And then I just went in with my fingers and started just really rubbing this in. Here I was applying the teal shade on my chin. I ended up not liking the blend of the color, so I just continued with the blue and white. And I was really concerned at this point. I was just like, I don't know how it's gonna turn out. And then just using a beauty sponge, I am just gonna continue dabbing my face, and I'm also dragging this like in a triangle shape almost down my neck because you're gonna do like that body paint on your chest and arms. And since this is a glam Sally, I am applying just some white face paint underneath my eyes and on the bridge of my nose to do like a contour highlight situation. After blending out that highlight, I did apply just this brown face paint where I would typically contour, except for the nose. You probably can go in with that dark blue shade or a blue shade that's just darker than the skin tone. And yeah, blend that out to create that contour. I noticed some of the face paint started blending off, so I ended up applying some more white and then just blended that out. Using this Makeup Revolution setting powder, I just got a fluffy brush and just started patting the face, careful not to rub or swipe. You can kind of see it is picking up the face paint, so I'm doing this and I go in with a sponge after just because I was concerned it's going to pick up too much of the blue. Next, going in with the Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette, I am going to be dipping into this color called Busted. It is a dark blue shade. So the nice thing about this specific look is that you really just need one blue eyeshadow, a darker blue eyeshadow. So I'm just going to be applying this all over the lids, just making it really smoky as I can, and really focusing on those outer corners. But then I'm going to dip in with a fluffy brush to start contouring my face as well. Here I'm going to begin drawing the stitches that Sally has. Do refer to a photo if you need to, but this is really easy. I just used that black face paint with a fine brush, and I am just going to draw that line down my forehead and then just start creating stitches. So do like one crooked line and then do like an X and then a straight line and then an X. Just to create that stitch effect. And then I'm going over this with some black eyeshadow to kind of smear it out a little bit with that same brush. But that's literally it for the stitches. And here I completely forgot, I'm gonna try to make a little bit more of a wide-eyed look. So I used a makeup wipe to kind of wipe slightly underneath my waterline of my eyes so I can use a white eyeliner or NYX Jumbo pencil to line my eyes. dabbing underneath my eyes, right where I applied that white eyeliner pencil. And then I'm going to go in with that same blue eyeshadow that I've been using, and I'm using a flatter brush just to line underneath that white eyeliner. And then I'm gonna just blend that out. Using that same eyeshadow brush and that same eyeshadow, I'm going to just contour my nose. And here I'm just doing the stitches that are on Sally's cheek, and then we're gonna get into the lips. Next, I'm going in with just this Makeup Revolution lip liner, and in red, of course, I'm just going to outline my true lips and then just fill them in. Here, I'm just gonna finish the stitching that Sally has around her lips, and I'm just going to basically do like a simple smile on both sides of my cheeks and then create those stitches. And I'm also going to line my lips with this black face paint. Lipstick crayon in red, I am going to just basically fill in my lips again, and then I actually outline with that black face paint. I'm just going to tightline my eyes, and then I'm just going to apply a mascara. You can use any mascara or eyeliner, honestly, whatever works. So this is where the look comes together. I just got these eyelashes from Amazon. I think they were like $8. So these are super obnoxious lashes, but yeah, just any obnoxious lash should do. So I ended up cutting up one of the lashes, and I just applied 2 chunks right below the white eyeliner on the outer edges of my eye. And then here I'm just finishing up those stitches. And then here I am just applying eyeliner on the top of my lashes. So for the body painting part, I'm using the Mayron water activated face and body paints. I'm going to actually be going in with this like orange shade. After, of course, I draw the neckline for Sally's dress with eyeliner. So here, basically paint half of your chest and don't go past your shoulders, orange, and then the other half pink. And then here I'm painting my shoulder green on the side with the orange. And then I'm going to go in on the other shoulder with a blue. Of course, don't forget the stitching on Sally's neck. Next, using the black paint, just basically draw lines that will split all 4 of the colors and just draw stitching. There's no real right or wrong way to do this, but I know I could have probably made this so much cleaner. But yeah, that's pretty easy. And then next, on the pink side of the dress, I am just going to go in with those patterns that Sally has on her dress. Lastly, of course, throw on a red wig, and I got this one from Amazon, but that completes this Sally look. So much easier than you would think, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.